Hi. So here we are today going to talk about an exam called MAT. So I feel those who have not done very well in the other exams and are okay with looking at a B-rated college. In a sense, right? Not the top colleges, but a college just below that. And want admission somewhere where there is some sort of placements. Maybe not very high package, but still can look at MAT as an exam. Well, the advantage of MAT mainly comes in the fact that it is accepted for all India seats for admission to Bajaj and Sednem and etc. This year it is accepted. It is likely to be accepted next year also. So these are the best colleges that you can get through as far as the MAT exam is concerned. So all India seats admission for these colleges, which are there in Maharashtra. Bajaj is the top 10 college, so and Sednem is also a good college where you have decent placements. But yes, you'll have to score really high percentile. But I know people this year who could get into, Sednem, etc. with a 99.92 percentile, 93 percentile. So not difficult to score, but yes, Bajaj will require 99.99 and it's possible to score if you really work hard. The reason is 15% of seats are reserved, okay, through CT, CMAT, MAT, etc. for these colleges, through all India seats, which Bajaj and Sednem you can apply to. Coming to a test structure, so you have language comprehension, which is 40 questions, intelligent critical listening, which is 40 questions, mathematical skills 40 questions, and data analysis and sufficiency 40 questions, plus Indian and global environment 40 questions. The good point is that uh, GK, that is, this part is not considered while calculating percentile. The Indian and global environment is not considered. So we're basically looking at first four areas that are normally considered for calculating percentile. So you technically have 160 questions in 150 minutes. So it's a speed-based exam. It will be really fast. There is negative mark, plus 1 and minus 0.25. So guess marking blindly may not really help. Okay. But yes, the questions are comparatively easy and you can solve it. If you do well, you can do. So Indian and global environment is not considered for calculating percentile, but the other four sections you need to do well so that you get a very high percentile. Okay, most colleges don't consider GK for admission, but there could be some colleges that may consider GK for admission. Not a very great college, not good colleges, but you can just skip GK completely in the examination and just focus on the other four sections if you're looking at Bajaj. What are the other colleges that you can apply to? So these are some of the other colleges which you can apply to. One is Dalmia and SIAS in Mumbai. They do accept the examination for their PG courses. BIMM in Pune, which is Balaji Institute, Amity Noida, SEMS Cochin, XIME Bangalore, Alliance, and Kirloskar. There's some of the decent colleges which you can apply using the MAT exam scores. Okay, so if you're writing the MAT exam is normally conducted four times a year, but what is coming next is in 20th Feb 2021, computer based exam. So you also have paper-based test and remote proctor internet. It's a new thing that has come because of the COVID. They're allowing remote proctor internet-based test. So first is on 20th Feb, next is on 6th March, and remote proctor is between 8 to 13 March as far as the exam dates are concerned. The website where you can get the information and apply for MAT is given out here. You can use this website and apply for it. Right? That will help you. So the forms are still available. Apply and you can go ahead with it. Hope it helps. Thank you.